What an awesome day. I mean, it's a dream to be in Finland and rally here. I remember growing up and playing dirt rally, and this was my favorite stages to do. Yeah, so just an incredible day. The car feels really, really good. I felt comfortable on the roads. They remind me more of American roads, but with way more jumps, and in their own way, they're a bit technical because some of the roads are crowned, so you got to be careful about carrying too much speed on the exits, but yeah, the car felt really good. The Lancia was on rails today, and I think the road we were on mimics the rally pretty well. So yeah, car feels good. I feel good. Done a lot of preparation for this rally, so I'm excited to get it started. It was actually a really fun stage. There was a lot more grip than I thought. I started in second gear like an idiot, so we bogged on the start and probably lost half a second because I had to like clutch kick to get it going, but the rest of the stage was great, felt good in the car. So yeah, looking forward to tomorrow. It's going to be very difficult to keep up with the guys who have been here before, but I'm going to do my best. Done a lot of work throughout the last couple days with notes and stuff, so it should be good. Feeling good in the car, just got to commit and send it.
Mutta muista Heidi löydät vain täältä. 1, 2, 3. Mut virtaata laskun aurinkoon. Juhlat käynnissä on tanssi laulaa ja juo. Mut virtaata laskun aurinkoon. Juhlat käynnissä on tanssi laulaa ja juo.
But as soon as they got wet, they got destroyed and like sketch. Like you drop into a corner, you hope there is nothing in there.
The road got destroyed.
Remember the right?
Today went up and down for sure. We're definitely off the pace a bit, but it's a lot of learning. I mean, the stages here are so incredibly fast and everything comes at you so quick, and lines are super important. So with the speed you're carrying, if you're not in the right line, you're changing the corner degree by a lot. So yeah, it's just been difficult, to be honest. We've tried everything, gone over notes, everything looks good. It's just figuring out how to keep like the momentum through all these super fast turns, and we had a bunch of rain, fogging, and it was crazy. So I had a bit of everything today: dust, rain, mud, fog inside, water inside. So it was fun. We learned a lot, and another day of it tomorrow. crazy long. It was good. It was a bit up and down. We had one stage that we just did not do very well on. I didn't drive well. I had a hard time like listening to the notes throughout the stage. Never got a rhythm, but other than that, it was really fun. I really enjoyed the stages that we did. I feel like I'm slowly getting it. It's just really tough. Like you make one little mistake and your confidence for the rest of the stage is ruined because you're going so fast, and as soon as something happens, it happens so fast that you barely can react to it. And so yeah, still just learning. Our notes have been really good though, so I'm hoping tomorrow for the 2 stages that we can put some even better times in. But I'm feeling good in the car. We're learning a lot about the car and what the lines are, and you know, just using the entire road. So yeah, we got a lot of work to do for tomorrow, but we'll get it done.
Jokainen hieroo omassa tallissa